Welcome to this light language energy healing session. My name is Cami, and this is Cami's Fluid Energy Healing Arts. Today, we are doing a light language energy healing session. Let's get started. So we're going to come into center now using our bowl. We're going to take 3 deep breaths coming in through the back of the heart space, drawing in white Reiki light. Drawing in our first breath now, coming in through the back of the heart space is white Reiki light, and allowing that to fill up through the body. And then we're going to release that down through our base chakra, connecting us through our Earth Star chakra, deeply into Mama Gaia now. Next breath, coming in through the back of the heart space, drawing in white Reiki light, allowing that to fill up through the body. And then we're going to release that up through our crown chakra, connecting us with our higher self and creator source now. Alrighty, last breath now, coming in through the back of the heart space. And we're going to send this one to each other as kind of a gold figure eight. Drawing in the last breath now, coming in as white Reiki light, allowing that to fill up through the body. Release that to each other now, kind of a gold figure eight, connecting our energy for this session. So at this time, we would like to invite in all of our guides, our healed loved ones, nature spirits, any animal spirits, any angelic presences, ascended masters, or galactic family that chooses to be with us at this time. So we have several energies activating immediately just with the bowl. There's an incredibly strong Gaia energy present, along with nature spirits and animal spirits that are coming through very strongly already. My entire body is activated already. It's highly unusual. Just taking a quick look through the chakras. And so I'm hearing everything is as it should be. We're being presented with a white portal. So we're just going to breathe this energy in. So I'm having the sensation of moving through a space very quickly, like the air is rushing past. So we are joined in this process of traveling by two very distinct energies. One is a very deep magenta pink, and the other one is a very beautiful violety blue color. And so they're moving with us through this space, through this airy space. Having a very strong activation in the top of the crown now. So there's an expansion of your wisdom taking place now. Your knowledge itself is expansive, but the wisdom and how to use this knowledge, it is coming through for you now. You're just activating this throughout your entire system. I'm seeing a very large host of beings now that are presenting in a variety of forms. So I'm taking a closer look around this circle. We've been encircled by a number of beings, and they all look very different. And they all look to be representing different animals. They're humanoid in form, but they look to be representing different animals. So you and I are standing in the middle of this circle, and these beings are doing different things, sending energy to us in different ways. This is very specific light language. Activating dormant giftings. Ila kosto yeshita yekayama yeshuso. Ila miyakaye kentia yeramotoso. Ila poriato koshuma selantia sira bayesita yerabakasa. Imstonto yeshekasa. Intayaramotosu. Ila mamona yakera bayesila tayarate sito koshunto yeserabasa. Imstantira mayosonto yerabayesira basikoshu. Isanyaba yatomasa. Imnieta yerabasu. Ukashura bayesinta yeshima kaintira boratiara. Ilmiata irisi. Istamedioritia kayesamasa. Isamyoto yasira bayesha. So it's interesting, we are still in this space, this white space that is just filled with this air, this wind. Kumashota yasema nyara bayeshura yakosuta yashamba sera bayatira tiyasema kotu yatira. Elamiata yashuma kasum. Yastayera bayesha. And so they appear to be going around the circle one at a time. Kumashota yasita yashama koyatira tira miyasam. And activating different giftings. Kumushuto yeshira yasera miyara tira miyasukusura yasera tira tiyasa. Itayera monioto yashika yasera miyara tira. Ila miyoto tira niyata yaka yasira ntiyosumusura yasira kayashust. Mesa miyara tiyasa. Just waiting a minute. The visual field is shifting. So this really beautiful color, this kind of violety blue color, is presenting in the visual field now as a lion face. This is a female lion. Era puma, y como yo tuve tierra mar, se que shuto, el miata y si que shim suta era besira das, el mionto y te ya si diegushu. A lot of activation in the throat space. Gurayarami ki yeshu suta ya sara miyasa, yesu yaramo sham kaishesan. As an amplification of your divine voice. Mukumokoye diara yara yasamoko shun, kisayete irashimasu, iramila diara yasha, koso tia shira niyasan, tapping into this feminine, feline power energy now. Kumusonko yashira bayasira diashimasuko sera biatita intia yiru moroto, isura bayashara mietira koshu. Ilo soto era mieti era niarbo, era mora ki, era mora ki, era mia kosho to yeshem ki era tasa, era purieta era hasa, miston tu yeshikasa, tuto. I'm feeling the sensation of being cloaked, kumsota yeshem, like it's a very kind of a hefty, solid cloak coming over the shoulders. Connecting here at the breast. Como suto yasham right here at the breastbone. Como shuto yeram yasara yeshu. Istanto yeridi shike shuma sunto yerabiyasa. In tayeshimo kosura dira yasam. So this is an incredibly beautiful cloak. It looks almost like a royal robe. It's all very natural in color. It seems to be different kinds of furs connected with different different kind of fabrics that I'm not familiar with. They're very ornate, look almost woven, you know. Yeah. Deep breath in through the heart space now and grounding down into the planet. So I'm seeing a lot of light coming into the space now. It's highly reflective in lots of colors. It's almost kind of like a swirling rainbow coming in, but it's very reflective light. Activation into the solar plexus now. I'm feeling that like there's an adjustive connection between the throat chakra and the solar plexus now. I'm hearing a balancing of the intensities. I am being shown the white portal again. So we're going to breathe into that space. Just breathe in that white portal light. And allow that to just travel down into the planet. Connecting you back into the space where we began. Abundant, brilliant light is what I'm hearing. You emanate abundant, brilliant light. It's a very soft energy that we're into now, just a very pinkish white billowing light. Very comforting energy. Feels divinely feminine in nature. And with that, the entire space has turned to a white, billowy energy. So I'm just going to breathe in this white, billowing energy. And allow that to come out through every pore of your body. Receiving any more visual images, auditory. So we're going to bring the bowl back in now. this time, with all love and gratitude, we would like to say thank you to the energies that were present with us here today during this energy healing session. We would like to thank you for the activations and the revelations that came forward today. And at this time, we would like to release you and say we thank you, thank you, we thank you, and we thank you. Family, thank you so much for choosing to spend your time here with us today. I truly appreciate your presence and your energy in this healing session. If this message resonated with you today, I encourage you to like and subscribe so that you can be notified when our videos post. I also encourage you to join us on Discord and or Patreon so that you can discuss your experience with this session in a safe place. If you would like to schedule your own session, you can check out the links below. We have a scheduling app, and we also do all of our sessions live on Discord. Okay? So, much love to you, many blessings. Namaste.